And the partnership we signed today is worth 25 million euros for part financing of agricultural value chain investment. And it's not just of significance to Equity Bank, it's of more significance to Kenya's agricultural sector. I, at the outset, appreciate the government of Kenya at both national and county levels for giving us an opportunity through various programs to continue supporting access to farmers, therefore demystifying the perception that financing small-scale farmers is not commercially viable. Together with housing and health, the national government's Big Four agenda is focused on manufacturing and food security. And we as a bank have aligned our strategy with this national agenda to focus on growing the agribusiness portfolio through servicing all segments of the value chain, from retail to SME to large enterprises and to also corporate banking customers.
With this project, we are embarking on a bit of a new challenge by focusing our lending on the agricultural sector in particular, to provide suitable finance for investment in that sector, which will involve agriculture value chain entities that are integrating the smallholder farmers in all that they do. The EIB loan will be blended with a 10 million, which is just over 1.1 billion Kenyan shillings, 10 million euros grant from the EU. The grant will provide the resources necessary to make the terms of the credit very appropriate for the partner banks that we work with, and it'll enable them to on-lend to agricultural enterprises across Kenya in Kenyan shillings.
As a representative of the European Union, I can indeed say that we are highly pleased to witness the signature of the financing agreement between the European Investment Bank and Equity Bank Limited to establish a financing facility to promote investments in the agricultural sector in Kenya, the Kenya Value Chain Facility. It is very good to see the European Union's bank, the European Investment Bank, the EIB, partner with Equity Bank. Equity Bank is known to be one of the most dynamic actors in the banking sector in Kenya, with a particular attention to the agriculture sector, which has been traditionally neglected. The Kenya Agriculture Value Chain Facility, signed today, aims to provide loans at attractive conditions to agribusinesses, which include in their business model the integration of smallholder farmers into their value chains by providing capacity building, access to better market conditions, or innovations.